Hey Ma, what are we making today?
We're making pasta with vodka butternut squash sauce. Stay tuned and watch for the recipe. Hi everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I'm going to be making something easy and delicious and so in the full season. So we have this beautiful zucchette, organic zucchette. With this type of pasta, I felt it needed a good warm fall vegetable. So I'm using butternut squash, which is one of my favorites. So we're making vodka, butternut squash, zucchette. Let's get started. Simple ingredients I have right here. We have the extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, an onion. We have vodka sauce, of course, the butternut squash, heavy cream, and chicken stock. And of course the pasta. Let's move right over the stove and let's get started. Let's add just a couple tablespoons because the cream is going to be very rich, so you don't want a lot of that. Go ahead and add the onion. Now, you want the flame nice and low because you want to sweat the onion, not burn them. So while this is going on, I'm going to cut up my butternut squash. Give it a good stir and just nice and slowly let the onion start sweating. Whenever I peel a butternut squash, I think of my mom. Unfortunately, with the arthritis, she can no longer do it. So she would get so frustrated. She would say, "La vecchiaia è una carogna." Getting old is unfair, basically what it means. But when she would refer to death, she would say, "La morte è una brutta bestia." Death is the ugly beast. So these are little tidbits that I know you could relate in your own life. This part you just scoop out with a spoon, just like this. See that? Just like this. To add a sprig rosemary and let it saute with the onion, but we will remove it before adding the squash, the butternut squash in. The onions are golden. I'm going to go ahead, remove the rosemary sprig because it did its job. It released the flavor. You don't need all those little leaves floating in. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the butternut squash. Okay, higher your flame and let's get it sauteed for a few minutes. Salted, and continue stirring. Never want the onions to burn, but now we're going to add the vodka sauce. The vodka, not sauce, just the vodka. Straight up vodka. There it goes. And now I'm going to add the chicken stock. Lid on and let it cook until it's fork tender. Cook it for 15 minutes, it's nice and soft. Now you could do it two ways. A potato masher works, or, the easier way, if you have one, is to definitely use the immersion blender. So we're going to go ahead and cream everything. Heavy cream goes in, and now put a pot of water on, salt it, and bring it to a boil. Lots of fresh black pepper and adjust the salt. Pasta in. And just let it cook till a little bit under al dente because we'll finish cooking it in that beautiful sauce we made. Toast some shelled pistachio right in a frying pan and then I'm going to crush them to add on top on the finished pasta. Okay, here we go. Beautiful colors. Beautiful. Handful of Parmigiano Reggiano to really create even more thickness. Now let's stir until all these little zucchette absorb the cream and it goes everywhere inside and outside. Ecco qua. I'll touch some pistachios right on. Perché l'occhio vuole la sua parte, so a nice pretty plate is a must. Okay, here you have it. Oh, no, I gotta taste it for you. What am I thinking? This is the best part. You know what I'm thinking? That I have about 12 eyes staring at me ready to eat. Right, girls? Right. Absolutely delicious. Make these simple recipes. They're really easy and your family will and friends will love them. Grazie, alla prossima. Arrivederci. Ciao, ciao.
Hey Ma, what are we making today?
We're making butternut squash vodka sauce over little seasonal pumpkin pasta shells. I guess that's what we're making.
Hey Ma, what are we making today?
We're making vodka butternut sauce, butternut squash. Okay, try again.